I am Eliselin. I'm a lighting designer from Argentina. I enjoy working with light. I try to use light as language.
I'm Lynn Godley. I am a light artist, multimedia light artist.
I'm Saradeep Basul. My company's name is Lucent Worldwide. We are a lighting design company based out of China and India.
My name is Wout Westen. I'm a creative director operating out of Amsterdam, and I'm the creative director for the collective called Circus Family. We call ourselves an audiovisual collective.
I'm Matthew Schreiber. I'm an artist. I use light. That's why I'm here. And I have a studio and lab in Brooklyn, New York.
My name is Amy Critchett, and I am the executive producer of public artworks for Leo Villarreal Studios.
My name is Rob Pope. I'm a lighting designer and engineer, and I run a design studio called Digital Ambience.